You,
I'm doing very well. How are you, man?
I'm good. I'm good. My English is a little weak, so sorry for that.
That's okay, man. That's okay.
Yeah. Actually, I have just started this YT automation, and I have done some research on YouTube and started a few channels, but I will say that I failed. Actually, I upload some videos on three channel and not getting impression. No impression. Like I
Mm.
get 9 to 10 impression. So I don't understand what is going on.
Right. So you
Yeah,
started three different channels and you uploaded some videos, but you got no impressions.
yeah, exactly.
Right. Walid, I would advise you, like there's probably an issue with your topic selection and your thumbnails and titles.
Mm-hmm.
Because this is what will give you impressions, basically. Like a good topic for your channel, a good video, a good thumbnail, a good title. So there's probably something wrong in there. I would advise you to, like, after this call, send me a private message with your channels, and then I can have a look at it.
Okay,
And then next week I can
okay.
do a channel review for you. But I would also
Mhm.
advise you to, like, coming week, go through my two courses, the accelerator and the premium course. At first, like, get more knowledge in about YouTube automation like that. And then next week we can do like a
Okay,
channel review, see where it's going wrong, what is the issue with your thumbnails or your topics, okay?
okay. That's great.
Because it can be a lot of things, of course, but I think first you need to get the basics down, and then we can have a look at what niche you went in, how your videos are looking, and why potentially you are not getting views. All right?
My video editing is excellent. Like I am doing it by myself. Okay, and thumbnail, the Photoshop and Illustrator, I am the master. I
Yeah.
will show you some sample. But the main thing I'm facing is niche research. There's I stuck.
And that's the problem, right? Because if you are a very, very good video editor and your video looks awesome, but no one clicks your video
Yeah,
because
yeah.
it's a bad topic and it's a bad thumbnail, then you can spend all the hours and all the money on your video editing. But if no one is clicking it, then you are like wasting your time, basically, unfortunately,
Like
because
I'm not getting impression. If I get some impression, I know I people will click. But
yeah,
impression is
yeah,
like 9 to 10.
right, that's very low. And usually the impressions depend on the topic of your video and also the SEO you're doing, the metadata you are using. So there's
Mhm.
probably an issue in there, Walid. But
Okay, okay,
let's, like, send me your channel after the call on school in the DM. I will have a look at
okay,
it, and then maybe on next call we can, like, do a good review on it. Is that okay?
okay. That's great. Thank you.
Perfect. Thank you for your question, man.